Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change DNS on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Knowing how to set up DNS on Chrome, OS, Windows, and macOS is essential. You can find the step on this video. DNS standard for domain name server, which is a system that connects URLs with IP addresses entered by users to access the internet. Meanwhile, the function of DNS itself is to request IP address information from the sites you visit and website information based on the IP address. So, what if you want to change, you want to set up your DNS on your MacBook? It's very simple. So first of all, if you're using Chrome as your default browser, you can open your Chrome. Now from here, you can go to the settings by clicking on the three dots over here. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option settings. You can just choose on that. From here, you can go to privacy and security. Now you can go to security. You can scroll down until you find there is an option select DNS provider. Now you can change it. By default, it's set to OS. And if you want to custom DNS services provider, you can just choose on custom. You can enter custom DNS query and URL in here. And if you want to change Cloudflare, change to Cloudflare or Open DNS, Google Public DNS, or Clean Browsing Family Filter, you can just choose in here on your DNS as you need. It's very simple, right? So you can change your DNS anytime you want in this section on your Google Chrome on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change DNS on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!